Hello Madeline, how you been? I've been waiting around to die again. Well, I saw all your friends and you weren't there. And there's a picture of us holding up a pitcher of our favorite beer. I'm trying to slow down this year, they can't hold it like I used to.
I ain't never felt as lonely as I do tonight in this nice hotel. 1,200 miles from that ship motel, you kissed me softly in. Well, I heard you've been on the road west coast, just songs singing. Are you coming home again? 'Cause I'd like to see you smile.